Modeling flush frame joist connections in Revit starts by placing a joist in your model. In this video, we will use a composite joist, abbreviated with CJ. First, select the Place Update Joist button in the NuBIM toolbar. Then, select Vulcraft Composite Joist from the Joist Series dropdown and the depth you require from the Profile dropdown. You will then be able to input your required loading. Next, you will select the Flush Frame checkbox. Finally, click on Place Joist to place your joist in the model. We'll cut a section in the model to show the connection better, and then go through how to make adjustments to the connection. First, you will select the joist so that the Properties tab will populate with that joist information. Then, scroll down to the Construction section of the Properties tab. This is where you will make the changes to the flush frame connection. The first property you can update is the bolt size. We will change that to 1 inch in this case. Next, you can change the bolt horizontal spacing. That is, the distance from centerline to centerline of the bolts if there are 2 rows, like we show here. The bolt horizontal offset is the distance of the first row of bolts from the edge of the plate. If you only want 1 row of bolts, uncheck the 2 lines of bolts checkbox. You can change the number of bolts by updating the number in the Number of Bolts field. Click Apply to update the model with your changes. Next, we can make changes to the plate itself. The first 2 fields are to adjust the overall height of the plate and its thickness. You can also update the width of the plate. To adjust the offset of the plate from the top of the joist, you can change the top of plate dimension to move the plate down. All of these changes will be applied to both ends of the joist. If you need multiples of the same joist, once you're completed, you can copy and paste them just like you would any other structural member in Revit.